This man I blow me for eye. That video when I give you a power, that video. Now after I blow my eye finish, not a video me with the girl for grand.
That is really true. You know life for this particular one when you talk so. And I'm going to be playing the video to you right now.
Don't go drink. Now drop out.
Now yes, so I forgive this guy. So number one wrong. Your baby mama and your wife the fight. You read there, you go press and join ground. There was an evidence here, and I use your hand send me this video. And I fast forward it to another WhatsApp in case maybe you delete it. I was just waiting patiently for her to throw so that I post them. There was an evidence here. See what you were doing. You were not separating them. Oh. You were not separating them. Oh. And your children was also there. The black said this the happiness or the beat your side cheek. As happiness, as you say happiness once succeed, you can't quit wrong. Go press her hand, drag me for a week. As you say she don't do the week, you can't go back again, start your video recording. Even if you are my brother, my father, my mother, the moment of this kind of new job when I start, so I will tell you the truth. For years, so my brother, you error big time, and I'm going to be posting this live. Two women the fact, you see children they there. Do not feel, because after all, they look for video where you want to use against her. So anything can be video. She at home, I won't see their body because not to don't understand the quarry. You hear the talk. This one, as I just see this woman here, so you hear the talk for they love this boy there tomorrow.
Never over my dead body, bros. I nearly go. That is I see my father. I go spirit world.
Wait first.
My father, I be orphan. My papa, my mama don't die.
Happiness mute. You love this boy so much. I'm not telling you me not go back or me go back. I just now the fact when you explain, so that make they give Emeka is wrong. Emeka did not go there to separate. Emeka and you. Emeka, you were like, I don't know what I want to talk. When I said this video yesterday, I said, thank God now you use your hand, send me this video by yourself. I can never judge you rightly because you be my friend or my brother. Never. Go and call the people that know me. They will tell you get the way that I know they. What you did there was very wrong. No matter what, this woman don't work for you. You see two people they fight. You know, even as a man, you are not supposed to allow that kind of fight to happen. No matter what. Thomas was saying you can't try to pin one for grand, main one for the beat the other one. That is why I will bring down this woman so with the follow the fight. I'll bring her come here. When she comes to explain your own side of the story. That is the truth. Hello. I greet you. Who's going to be waiting at their line? Now you want to tell me what you're lying? My guy, get out to the crest. What are you? You're mad? See this Momo. May I put your picture here now? May wait till one me.
Epa, na so they do.
Wait.
They do.
Hey, what's up for this one? When I leave me Emeka. I beg. Emeka, I want to put me your picture for here now. If everyone for me before. Oh, because you're my brother, you're my guy. So if you do wrong, I don't tell you. You are very, very stupid. Emeka, you don't know me be that. That means you think I be push and start. Yesterday when you tell me make I remove your picture, you know why I obey you? I obey you because you were still talking to me. Because if I put your picture, you know talk again. Who be you? You the craze. You are very stupid to call me and tell me father of 5 children. My daughter will be 19 years this year, my first daughter. You are very stupid, Emeka, to tell me a nogi Say wetin they are learn, and God will punish you for that word. You are very stupid. You are very stupid, and God will punish you. Oh, no, because you be my friend, you be my guy. You look me like say because you be my guy. So I'll support you. You are very stupid. That means you don't know me. How dare you? The Chris. You are very stupid. Not be you be this one. If ever want to fall, may before. You dey press your woman the drink, you know a shame. You dey press your woman the drink ground. They call me. I say you want to tell me better thing. They call me and not they say what they are lying. I'm not sure say you even ask question before you call me. I'm not sure say you for call me. No bastard fit tell me I remove your picture until I see the root. If you like, you can't talk. If you like, you not can't talk. All your video, all the way you explained to me yesterday, I get this screen record for the other phone. You are very, very stupid. Emeka, you are very, very stupid. You are very, very stupid, Emeka. For telling me, say, you are very, very stupid. Emeka, you are very, very stupid. For you to tell me, a no gay, say, I pray may I meet you one-on-one. I pray may I meet you one-on-one. And yes, that's why they carry people, they put for prison for Europe. I go rubbish you, rubbish your mother, rubbish your father, rubbish your generation. I want to see what you feel do. You are very, very stupid. Useless, evil boy. Make up on you, because he's my brother. I no wonder you say, I be your brother. Oh, because he's my brother. From one side. So I'm not getting to talk to you. Now God will punish you. I pray may I meet you one-on-one. One go kill each other, that you don't know me. Not be as you be so. You are very stupid. I know they use brother till they join my matter. Oh, you don't know. Anybody where you want to call them. May I see want me I remove your picture. I dey wait. Whenever they feed me, I want to see how you take day. Your father, your mother will rubbish them. Your sister and Jamie will rubbish them. Go and donisha me. You are very stupid. Woman bitter. Woman bitter. See the way you use this woman take change to. This woman they talk, they forget her word. Now so you tell on this woman. The very first time you see this woman, you recorded her. Make God punish your father, punish your mother. You are very stupid. Useless boy. You do your Igbo sister like this. And they ask, fear to let you do your Igbo sister like this. You the man, and God will punish your mama for you to tell me, say, wait till they are lying. I pray me I catch you. Anytime, any day, you will not ask person the grace. When you stand for my front, they vomit rubbish. So now this thing they do to this woman. So as I can't see the truth just now, wanna see, you know what in them? Wanna see what they do? Wanna see? I want to play the video game. Wanna see the way person is stupid? Wanna see him? Wanna see wanna watch this video carefully. Wanna see what he do? See what he do. See what he do. I mean, if now observer, Ipina Dregrand, like Ipina Dregrand, it was like this. Ipina, he make sure say this woman already they lose strength before he go back again go the video. If this woman you still give her, say how far you madam you error here. That drinking partner truth. She dey drink confirm, and I go still if you reach the time I go still saga am. The grace Emeka, God will punish you. For you to tell me, say, what they are lying. Your father, your mother is a bastard. You are very stupid. Like you are so stupid. The grace. They tell me, say, what they are lying. Like, is the audacity for me? Like, is the audacity for me? Like, you call me, say, But you are their line. So what were you expecting me to do? I'm going to tell you sorry, and God will punish you. Then you don't know me. If you know me, I'm not sure say fear will let you. Order me yesterday, me I remove your picture. And I told you, okay. You say you don't see Mumu cash. You don't know, say I was just doing what I was doing for you to talk. At first, you know what this idiot did? He called me before the show started yesterday, say, yes, my matter don't reach your hand. Make I pause this issue. I laugh. I said, this one not even know the total. I be very that one of Europe. Oh. No matter how you be to me, oh, as far as you know they feed me, yeah. Yeah, as far as you know they feed me, you know they clothe me, you know I have right over me. Even my mother cannot tell me to remove your picture. Yes, she's my mother, but I have right. That is why I'm a man. You dey mad? Don't worry. You see this thing way you do so, I go drag you. So that the day you see me, you do me what you want to do me. I go drag you. As just the pray say, if my investigation carry you say you right, I'll still say you right. But if you try say as this woman they explain, they go. Because you be manipulator. That is what I've seen about you. With the little video when I don't see, you are a deadly manipulator. That's why I called the quarrel with Happiness sister yesterday. Say, Happiness sister, you are not supposed to do that. Why will you go and disgrace your sister? The first thing, wait, talk. Now, you know, say I say when the sister climbed just now. I mean, I did it yesterday. Wait. Honey, 2 minutes in a hurry. In the 2 minutes, may come. He said, when the sister climbed, and also what the sister talk. Do you know that 2 days ago, this idiot boy his sisters gang up against this girl. They saga this girl last history for TikTok. Emeka, don't push me, oh. If you push me, I will enter your family background. I go disgrace you like, well, you don't even know me. Say, my head not the ass. If I know put his side cheek. If I want to put his side cheek, if I call that Mumu in not pick, I'll put the side cheek join. That's what they do my thing. Even if this idiot come here now, they ask me, say, what are they line? Like, that word, I don't know, one not verse with my fans, if I do over the react. One not verse, like, that word, the reason I go many places, like, I don't understand what you use that word mean. Like, what you they align. Like, you want me to make a lie to your favor? One minute. Not make it down. So my apologies to my fans if I'm overreacting, please, sorry. But I hate oppression in my life. I hate it. When you are trying to tell me what to do. This is my job. People they mock me say, they not get job. From this year 2026, I vow that even if you are my best friend, they bring your matter to me. You wrong, I go tell you the crest. Not talk to me again if you see me. Not talk to me, not greet me again. All those what I do last year, this one my party, I don't want to put. It's over. Nobody they feed me. If I continue like that, I will not be successful more than this. A speaker of truth, I have no friend. That is my first resolution in this year 2026. So tell the island, I'm going to punish you. Happiness, continue. Make up police for me. We'll go court, the Chris. You got police for me.
So,
for you to even send me your woman nakedness, do you know that this idiot, even if no matter what your woman will do to you, he send me this woman nakedness, full body, breast, everything. Jesus. I will use that video against you. Go and donation me the court of law. They will take it to court.
I don't know. Jesus.
He sent me the video when he beat semen, when Yeah. As he sent me yesterday, I forward down. He called me the night, I not pick.
But Daniel, I tell
Happiness,
you yesterday now.
happiness, I said, you mute. Somebody that gave birth to your own biological children, you send me naked picture. You know who cover now? You send that to me like that. If you don't call police for me, you are a bomb bastard. I won't get problem with you because of your complaint when I don't hear. You don't have to put people for prison, for Italy. I won't get problem with you. And they look for where for wrong.
See anybody wey know Emeka for Alexandra Mona tell me.
Daniel, I don't do. He don't do.
Emeka me rock me no.
What's that Emeka
me rock me no. And we are for cash me.
One of me that
Go kill her. Emeka, anywhere cash for Alexandra. And they mad Alexandra tomorrow.
Quiety. Man call you as the first time. You all they come. He tell you wanna do competition or drink. You know what I say no. You know drink small vodka make you rest. If you not be joker, you all they come too. You decide they support you against them. You all they come too. I felt tell and say not be person will bring case come here, not be the weak case. Oh, you know say no get don't change. Oh, you think I be that kind man where be say I say this one my party, fuck you party. Fuck anybody where say my party. Where I'll see the truth, man, I'm not talking. Fuck, party. Emeka, fuck you. The Chris, because I mean that you be my guy, I don't fit tell you what you do. You are very, very stupid. Very stupid. You will be the one with the Emeka now. See your life now. Your first baby papa, I go ask you questions and you go tell me the truth. Because I heard that you put your own first baby papa, which is that your girl, papa for prison for 10 years, and that one spent for prison. Me they call for you.
Jesus, say pana lie.
Who me?
Call for you because the family of that one don't they call me already. But I say more fair treat this useless Emeka matter first. Before we enter that one, you mad. Emeka, you don't know me. You don't know me, Emeka. You don't know me. If you know me, fear don't let you call me because the thing there. He said they ring for my head, say, what are they alive? Like that, I wish I see you, I feel you shopping raw. That moment. They're asking me, a man. When you know they feed, they ask scouting, they are lying. You know, just like everybody. Some people, they reason where they go different places. That was a very big insult to me. By telling me, say, Enogi, wait till they are lying. Because I thought, say, you press and drag ground. You not press and drag ground before. Go to the police station and report me. Then you go tell me how your wife taken the extinguish my hand. You're very stupid. Oh, your happiness, continue. Happiness, continue.
Okay, pa. Pa, egwe o, dama. Pa, dama egwe. So, ujere that expect when be say I be
what you have been in the shot where your voice can crack.
No, my voice don't crack since yesterday.
Daniela, drink water, drink water.
Now you the shot since we are well.
Oh, if I'm not true, if voice fair crack before I beg.
If I agree la oh. No,
Daniela, you wouldn't want me. I tell you before, drink water.
Yeah, one man. If I allow agree, new one man. No, my drink water. Come. Okay. Epa. Hello, Epa. When many time if I see clear, then I be.
Yes.
Okay, Epa. I don't know whether I go fit tell you the that place where I be want tell you before.
How are you?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now do well. But more than no verse for me yesterday. Ne? I not feel.
Now talk what you want to talk now.
Epa dey on call. Now make I know. That's me.
Okay, you are the side chick. What's your name? What's your name? Let me bring you up.
My name is JT.
Oh, the side chick. God bless you. You see, as this side chick now come contact me, I can't go post the picture. I will never post a picture because she respected me. He even contact me say, if they try to request this, I'm not they bring her up. What did you say your name is again?
See, now the girl will be said the guy that beat me, now be the girl, now baby mama.
May you quiet, madam. Quietly.
Okay.
Quietly, because if I dey talk now, where I may want them madam. Yeah, he said, where can we quiet again? Mao, fair quiet. Fair quiet. Oh, quiet, man. Nobody call me, oh. See. JC, Jamina, Jenny, what is it be her name? What is it be her name? Top guys. What is it be her name?
Hi, sir. Hello,
Yes,
Mr.
please,
Inoge.
mute, okay? Okay, just mute. Thank you for the gift, guys. Thank you for the gift. JC Viva, mute. Oh, your wife, could you explain because now you dey put money for your fast. Happiness. All those your explanation. When you go explain
This Jesse so now this Jesse so now you know the man that beat me that day.
Just
Mr.
say you
Inoge.
mute.
You know,
Hello?
Jenny.
Mr. Inoge, can I talk to
Jesse.
you?
No, they speak English for yes, free Brooklyn. Not
Hey,
everybody they hear English. So.
Madam, why they? I beg now.
Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you, please, Mr. Inoge?
Yes, talk to me.
All
Let
right.
me hear from you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Since then, I've been watching this girl saying a lot of things that I don't really understand. Because normally, number one, she's a liar. She's a freaking big devilish liar. Hey guys, can you wait, guys? Wait, please.
Okay. No, I saw me.
Do you understand?
Just set.
Yes, that girl is a liar. Seriously. So, the most thing that brought me here is this. Do you know that yesterday in your live stream here, you made a live stream and then she created a fake account with my name and my picture, and she has been lamenting a lot of rubbish with my name and my profile. She has been commenting a lot of negative things right here. And again, another thing that brought me here is this. She's calling me a side chick. Like, I want to know, she said,
Madam, yo. Yes, Jenny. Oh, school not be scam for life, oh. When I want to talk to school now, scam. School not be scam, oh.
I not be everybody go hear English today.
No, she did. Her English they enter us. If not broken English since I forgot to talk.
Some vocabulary, there's some vocabulary that is not actually right. It's not everybody that knows how to speak.
Jennifer White, are we on English class?
No, sir. I'm sorry.
Man.
I'm sorry.
all right, sir. Okay.
JC Viva, talk to me.
Isabel, she's an attention seeker. Can you hear me, sir?
Give me that hair back.
Shit.
Can you leave the room and go to the
Can
other
you hear
room?
me?
Can you leave the room and go to the other room so we can hear you well, madam?
All right, just hold on. 1 minute.
Please, I need push power tap for me. Put a power tap for me. I want to remove this picture. Never. I want to see
Okay,
what
like as I was saying,
Yes.
she's an attention seeker, and then she's a bloody liar.
Okay, why did you say so?
Jezebel, this girl, this happiness you're seeing here, this happiness is free. Seriously, please, sir, you don't have to believe every damn thing that she narrated here because she's talking rubbish, irrelevant narration, irrelevant story that doesn't make sense, that did not even happen, that don't even exist. That's what she has been narrating all through here. She's just beating around the bush, trying to cook up a story that doesn't even exist. Do you understand me?
Yes.
So, no composure, no respect, no regard for anybody. Everybody know her. Even her family self, if it's possible, her family they will even disown this girl, this particular
I beg,
girl.
remove our family out of it, yeah?
Hey, relax, okay? I'm not talking to you.
May everybody mute.
Very
apart from the journey and continue.
She's impersonating me. Do you know that, Daniela? Do you know that I can sue you for
What makes
impersonating
you
me?
feel that she's
You created.
impersonating you? Can you
Yes,
explain
she's
it?
impersonating me. Exactly, because she created an account with my name and my picture, trying to be me. Like she's even commenting with the same account here on your live stream. You get it?
Okay. Yeah.
This happiness is free. This damn girl, I don't know what she wants from me. She's just all over me, looking for me all over. What is her problem? Is it because she married my ex-husband and then, and so what? I'm so freaking
If
what?
I dey respect you, normally I dey respect
You see,
you.
Mr. Doge, this girl can insult you here, seriously. You see the evidence
Wait.
now. This girl, she's very disrespectful.
Josie, wait. She can't try it. If she tries it,
I'm telling you the fact.
No.
I know her.
Wait. Just
Her family know her. Everybody know this girl.
Josie, wait. If she tries it, I'll quit this case. That's me.
Seriously. She's so arrogant, so rude,
Wait.
so
Josie,
loud,
Josie, wait.
so disrespectful.
Calm down. You are not the side chick. You mean that this man here is your ex-husband?
Yes, I'm not a side chick. I can never be a side chick to anybody. I'm not a side
Okay.
chick. You understand? All right. The most thing that triggered me right here, because she has been impersonating me, and the fact that she even called me a side chick. That I don't like. I don't even know if.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
Can you do me one favor, please?
Yeah.
You know, before you came, she was explaining something. I would please, for the sake of me and my fans that are watching this program this afternoon, can you just mute for some minutes so she can just conclude her
All right,
explanation?
I will take that. Yes.
So she will not, it will not look as if we are oppressing her. I understand.
That's fine. That's fine. She can go on and speak, and then I will mute whenever
All
you
right.
want me to.
Happiness. Happiness.
If I dey hear you, if I dey hear you, I dey hear.
Your voice where you crack. What make your voice crack?
If I dey hear you, I dey hear.
Oh, Jesus. Stress.
If I hear me no time here, man.
Okay,
Okay, you see this
fake account, writing rubbish with my name right here.
Jesse,
Are you mad?
Jesse, you have
She's
to
waiting
okay?
fake
Something
account.
wrong with your
Like,
fucking
you see what I told you?
Jesse, mute.
You see what I
Don't
told you?
say that.
Mute,
Brother,
no.
bros.
Continue, continue. Happiness,
Me
continue.
respect you. I respect you. I
Yes.
move.
Daniela, calm down, calm down.
Continue.
Epa, not let this girl come dey pour spit for my body, no.
May you
This girl
don't
na
already mute.
bastard, normally.
Calm down. Explain.
Okay, this girl na baby mama. This man, so this useless Emeka, he laid this woman for good 3 years before I meet Emeka. This man is you are a baby mama. Na baby mama be to Emeka. Alpha, shut up your mouth. If I'm talking, don't speak. Are you mad? Is something wrong with your fucking
Hey,
head?
don't insult her again, huh? Stop me. Continue your
No,
explanation.
may you stop.
Men no
Happiness.
dey insult me. Men no dey
Explain.
insult me. Men no dey talk to me anyhow.
Happiness. Will you calm down? Calm down. May you explain to Epa. No insult anybody.
Epa, no, this woman, so this man wey be say you put a picture. When I know this man, now this woman be the white woman wey the man come dey talk say na white woman before I come know say na black woman. Yeah, this woman they don separate for good 3 years. Even as me dey talk to you, this woman don born for another man for Germany. He born 2 children with my hands. He go born another pikin with another person. Now the 3 children now the day Alexandra. Now the man they feed. Now the man leave my own 2 children. When I said this man carry me go beg am or go do DNA test. DNA test show positive. I'm not lying. If I'm lying, Epa, I go say you evidence the way that they do DNA test that day. Afa, normally, Jesse, you are a baby mama. You will remain baby mama for your life, for the rest of your life. For you to fight with me that day, and you see,
And then you don't confirm the hit now. You
Come and
see
go
the
hold you,
gunshot.
my guy.
You don't confirm
Come and
the
go hold
hot
you.
shot.
Since if I
You
say
don't
shut
confirm
up,
the
Can
hit
you
now.
please
You
mute?
dey make
Jesse,
man,
hold
make you
on.
man around you
Jesse,
like
hold
that
on.
want to beat me. All right,
Jesse,
you're mad.
mute.
It's
Epa
okay.
said you should mute. Respect the fact he said you should mute.
You are
Please.
mad.
Jesse, if you don't mute, I can drop you for now, then come back again. You see why? This is why I do not wanted to bring you. Just calm down, let her finish. because you heard her explaining before you came. Okay, calm down, relax.
So, Epa, you see, this woman they talk say he not be chic. This woman is a baby mama. I met this man when this he and Jesse don't separate for good 3 years.
Continue your explanation. Continue.
Normally, Epa, I'm not a follow married man. Oh, if I they date you, if you they shout me, I can't hear information say you be married man. Go tell your wife. Say you they toast me. No, if your wife not believe, now I know that one of my life. I not go feel spoil another person happiness for a home. I not go feel destroy another person marriage. Never in this life. I not go feel do one. But people don't destroy my own. No problem. You see this Jesse. Now and this man that beat me that day. He come here, they talk, say, he not be this person. He not be this one. Alpha, normally, Jesse, you are a baby mama. Alpha, normally, this man, so not get your video. This man, when you they support 2 of them got beat me. You think say this man not get your video. This man get your video when his friends sleep with you for inside house. He get your video.
Yes.
Shut up your mouth. I'm talking. Are you mad?
That one are true. Normally, oh.
Are you fucking mad? When I'm talking, don't speak.
Happiness, wait first. I beg.
You said you must be Nazareth.
Wait, just wait.
You fucking human being. When I'm speaking, don't speak.
Mute.
Okay?
Happiness mute. As far as say I am the host, una no fit use the change to marketplace for me. Una why bring this woman matter come give me. Una why me arrest for this issue? May I off this live stream?
If I know,
if you insult Jesse again for a year, you
okay. I not go insult her.
And Jesse, even you say Jesse wants to explain. Jesse not get her to insult you for a year.
Okay, no.
I beg.
Hold on. Epa, please, can I ask a question, please?
No, wait, you never even know where matter they go. You want to ask question? Calm down.
They not even there inside the family. They don't know what they happen. They don't carry matter for head. People don't know anything.
Calm down and mute.
Shut up your mouth. When I say shut up, you shut up.
I'm not supporting anybody. I'm just here, okay?
Happiness, you disrespect me.
No, they are mute now. No, they are mute.
You don't know her mates. This one don't know her mates. You know they carry talking stick. They work out. You don't respect
you. If I cash you for Alexandra, they run for me. Oh, I swear to my holy father.
Anyone, Jesse, if you talk again, I'll bring you down. Make Happiness will continue.
Exactly, because you meet her, they talk before you come.
Oh yeah, now continue. Happiness.
You see this woman, so for the fool Alexandra, I beg bros. If anybody for this live video, anybody there, Alexandra, I beg, Mona come up. If una know this woman, 2016, 2017, this woman, so this man, people for Alexandra know the issue. Everybody know all the issue. This man, this woman, so this Jesse, so he sleep with this Emeka friend.
Yes.
She was 3 months pregnant with Emeka friend. Emeka bought the belly for this woman. Now the shame. Now make Emeka take carry this woman go Jamie.
Okay.
Everybody went there, Alexandra. Mona no lie. If I lie. People went there, Alexandra, Mona come and Mona go talk. I not see me anybody fight for me. Mona talk the truth. If una talk the truth that it go settle all of una free. Yes, this man, friend, fuck this man. He fuck this Jesse, so he fuck this Jesse for Emeka bed. Emeka get the video. This man was 3 months pregnant. Emeka based on the shame, bro. Emeka about the belly. He carried this woman go Jamie with the 2 children. And when this woman born for Emeka, if I lie, people went there Alexandra Mona come out. If I lie, people went there Alexandra Mona come out. Ina toge. You say this idiot. You say this woman when they talk for you. Bros, you tell me, say, man, no insult anybody. I don't go respect you for that one. I don't go insult her. You say this woman when they here. If they come here, you say get mad. You say get mad. Come here. Because if they talk, after everything, when you and Emeka did to me, I will say that they can't blind, Uko. I will say not blind me. I will say not blind me. You see, get mad. I know say, bros, I not go lie to you. Now Emeka invite this woman come here. Now Emeka. You say this Emeka will be useless man when you're there, your picture so. Now invite this Jesse come here. Everybody went there, Alexandra. If everybody went there, Alexandra, if I they lie, me everybody come at me, they come to say, Daniela, you are lying. This woman, so this woman, na people, na person will be say, if they wear skirts, if they wear those palazzo skirts, without you know they wear pants inside. You go tell this man say they go church. Everything when this woman do this Emeka use against me. This woman go leave the two children with boy for Emeka. He go church. From there, this woman, if I dey lie, you never fuck for Don VS. Don VS never fuck you. Are you mad? Don't see.
The pastor may you know insult.
You know, see this happiness, eh? This happiness, you, I'm not sure say you go to take correction. You see, you, this happiness.
Ya palo egbe no lawo wegwi lawo.
Why this woman they explain us now? She calmed down. Now what did you do yesterday?
Okay, no vex. You said
we've not got to understand the explanation again.
We now
then you just explain now.
Any yana ya woman no osie. You see ubego
happiness,
na.
calm down. Happiness, wait. When your husband do it and all like us, now kill her instantly.
Epa no vex.
That's why I be. If you see me, may start me. I never felt before.
Yes, I will calm down. Yes. Now, what you think they pay me for, but the money not blame me.
But
they cannot vex for me. I beg.
Yes, but don't insult her again because she not.
I promise you, Epa. If I insult her again, bring me calm down.
Okay.
Now me promise you.
Continue.
Epa, this woman so.
What are they gift me? What are they gift me?
This woman, when this woman there with Emeka, 2016, 2017, Don VS don't fuck her. This woman a woman will be say if they
not measure Don VS.
Okay. If I not measure Don VS, who go know who fuck her? Measure her.
As he tell me no measure yes.
Okay. Only one painkiller, no verse. I don't measure that. I don't already measure her. Bros, this woman a person will be say he go dey sing. He dey sing go, but he know they wear pant inside skirt to anywhere level for your show go your put to womb. Now lie for your head. You not fuck Emeka friend. Bros, this woman fuck Emeka. Now Emeka use the mouth to tell me and I can't say yeah for Alexandra. When I come back from Germany to Alexandra, I can't say yes. Say this woman fuck Emeka friend. Emeka a friend give her belle 3 months. Now this Emeka now bought the belle. Based on the shame, Emeka no fit they go anywhere. If Emeka go back, that they talk. Husband and wife they go they talk. Emeka go see enter there. They go say, "Oh God, you not go fit talk for here. You not get right to talk for here because the woman when born 2 children for you, not be your friend before." Now inside there, Emeka come start to the shame. Now Emeka take carry this woman control we and go Germany. Now this woman can't go born for another man. Bros, more than half can say that another man when this woman born for, what to do their relationship na DNA test. The man confirm say the pikin not be you. Now the man run leave you. How far? Emeka tell me say me I go do DNA test for children when I born for her. I chest time. I thought now go do DNA test. And DNA test show positive. You understand?
That's why you the videos of the DNA test.
Happiness. May everybody mute. Please, with all due respect, Happiness, you have to calm down for like 10 to 15 minutes. Not talk again. I need Happiness friend we know about all these things.
Yes.
From there, explain, continue.
Painkiller.
Yes, because at this junction, Happiness will hear till 8 o'clock. Happiness go to repeat word for us. I will not get all the time in the world. Case where
No,
you was.
plus, I know they repeat any word though. I they talk everything
Very
normal.
last next. There you
Madam,
go.
mute. Madam,
Relax,
mute
drink
your
water.
side.
Pekila, continue from
Epa.
here now. I need you now to continue from here, please.
Okay, pa. You know, say as I know they stay with them for house. She they
Yes.
tell me everything.
Yes.
Right from how they say no, because I know Emeka before she know Emeka.
Yes.
So for that part when she talk, say Emeka tell her say na white woman born for her. And I mean tell her say no be white woman born for her. Which he and this Jesse Viva so already break up years before he meets my sister. Then later, before Emeka come agree, say yes, na S and girl born for her. But you see, even since the girl document, say the girl they sleep with the neighbors when they gather there as in get evidence.
Yes.
So after everything, later the matter come settle. Then he come marry my sister. Then after he marry my sister, every day quarrel, they fight. Man, he don't give my sister belle like 3 times. When he be say go say make she go remove the belle. Even the last time when you go remove the belle, na Emeka still put things when he be say she drink, which she not there aware. Then when Ablas come, cause she can't dey bleed, Emeka run go Swiss, leave her for house with the 3 children. So then the neighbor come call ambulance as they reach hospital. They come say the baby heart till they breathe. The belle was 4 months plus. So they can say they don't know if they'll fit remove the belly, but they want check if the baby go fit still there alive. So she don't need the baby, and the man says say he don't want the baby. Based on say she know the hear Italy, so I had to translate for her. Then they can't remove the belly. They can't ask her many questions. What did she take? Who give her things? She not fit talk, and they make her not the Italy. Make her run come out. After all said and done, every day quarrel. Then Emeka come back. They can't quarrel. Then Emeka come pack. Come out for the house. You not tell my sister say, you want go rent house for Alexandra. They don't come out for Alexandra City, move to Spinetta. Then Emeka come pack, go rent one for Alexandra. You not tell my sister. After Emeka pack come out, which you not pay bills, and my sister documents did the house of everything. So after Emeka come out, my sister come ask us, okay, how they'll take the feed? How they want to pay the bills? Emeka say no, they pay. Lalo said don't say me they come out. So they try apply for social house. Emeka say, Ingo, make my sister get her for mind. Say, he don't get children before you meet my sister. If Daniela say you want to go social or anything, he go bring evidence when Daniela tell they drink, when he video her, when she tell they smoke, they go collect the children from her. Then everybody come they talk to her. He call Daniela's sisters. He say you want to go do DNA test. Say one person then go pay 400 €. They go do DNA test. I tell my sister say that DNA test 400 € is fake. No go. Emeka say if you not go, he not go they pay. He not go bring money. Make the children take they feed. So he comes to another place there for Bergamo, for Milano Bergamo. Say they'll go do the DNA for there. I call tell my sister if that's it, you go. But make sure say I go there on call. Send me everything. If I don't send all the videos for you for WhatsApp, I don't know if you don't see them.
Yes, I see all the videos here.
Okay.
Yes.
So they then went for the DNA test. Based on say everything that happened to my sister, she they talk out of points already.
God bless you.
If she want talk A, she go talk Z. So most times I they always come in for her, but many times she said if she they talk to midnight and not they sleep. Sometimes I go vest and call say, if that's it, I don't face it tell you before. I know that you are traumatized. Many things don't happen, you are depressed, but you need to calm down. About the drink when Emeka say she did drink is true, but she wasn't like that before Emeka meet her.
Okay.
She was never like that. If Daniela they drink or they smoke before Emeka not go marry her. So then they do the DNA. She sent me the location. She video everything. Which all the evidence got your WhatsApp already. Then the result now Emeka come tell the doctor say now him go receive the result if the result come outside. I come tell my sister say you fuck up. You as the mother when the children there with now you supposed to receive the DNA. They can't say they go post the letter come. I don't know how Emeka take do. And later after many months the result can come outside positive. Okay, you see bring money, make the children take feed, make they eat, pay bills. Emeka no they bring. So I come here a few months later. Say Emeka baby mama day. Emeka carry the baby mama come from Germany to Alexandra, which is this one when they talk now. They go like 6 years when they break up. But she don't get I think 4 children now already. They're not there again. Then you now they come meet for street. She say bring money, make you take fish. She meet you and your baby mama. Woman when you marry meet you and your ex baby mama for street. No woman when you go fit bear that kind of thing. You know they. He meet her for streets. Okay, bring money, make the children take feed. Schools, I mean. He meet them for streets. Okay, may he give her food. Now be that video where they fight when Emeka pin her down, when the baby mama they beat her. True. This justice so no go fit say you want beat Daniela if Emeka no did it. And if they see me, they set two of them, may they fight. Seeing that eye alone, you go know say woman not fit do that kind of thing to Daniela. If you see the video, you say talk truth. Emeka really beat her. Apart from that one, Emeka they beat her for house evidence they day. Many times. Emeka they beat her for us many times. If we will talk, Emeka was all of now we be useless single mother. All na full family. The sister is against the family. They against her. This one now that one Emeka they always they use against her. Okay, now you say me the return back. You say
don't go their house. Go carry this.
Yes. Now me even they go buy space for her. Many times when we say Emeka will come up for us, they know they get food. He go just leave them come up for her. She go come my place. I'll give her space.